Have you heard about Protecto Wrap's new product? Protecto Wall VP, self-adhered house wrap is now available across the country. 4 release liners are placed conveniently 6 inches from the top and the bottom and a third split in the middle for total control and ease of installation. Protecto Wall VP Weather Resistive Barrier is a primer-free self-adhering, self-sealing, non-woven, vapor permeable, microporous polyolefin laminate that provides 98.5% drainage efficiency. No mechanical fasteners are required for the installation. No primer is needed. Utilizes super stick technology adhesive. Fully adhered without mechanical fasteners or seam tape. Install year-round, in temperatures as cold as -20 degrees Fahrenheit or as hot as 125 degrees Fahrenheit. 180-day UV exposure. Compatible with and will adhere to most construction surfaces. Drainage efficiency 98.5%, and is NFPA 285 compliant assemblies. Learn more about this and many of our other high-quality waterproofing systems available on our website. ProtectoWrap.com